In pharmaceutical manufacturing, environmental monitoring is not just important, it's mission critical. Culture media plates are the foundation of viable monitoring. But what happens when you're managing hundreds, even thousands, of plates every day? Manual processes often lead to missing plates, overexposure, challenges in plate reconciliation, reporting delays, compromised data integrity, and increased audit stress. In a regulated environment, that's a huge risk. In the manufacture of pharmaceutical products, especially sterile products, key sources of contamination include people, equipment, and room air. Hence, environmental monitoring plays a vital role in assessing the state of control. The data generated serves as evidence that the manufacturing environment consistently meets the required standards, thereby supporting sterility assurance and patient safety. The process of detecting and counting viable microorganisms uses various media plates, whose life cycle management plays a vital role in establishing that the clean room is truly in a state of control. Introducing MPATS, the Microbial Media Plates Tracking and Management System from Mactus. Mactus is an ISO-certified organization committed to delivering customized, compliant, and innovative solutions that address real challenges in pharmaceutical operations, ensuring high levels of compliance in line with regulatory guidelines. As a compliance and automation-focused company, Mactus has developed MPATS to simplify and ease the process of environmental monitoring. MPATS is a fully digital, 21 CFR, Part 11 compliant platform that tracks every plate in real time across its entire lifecycle, starting from inventory till final destruction of plates. Here's how it works. Each plate, equipment, and monitoring location is arrived based on risk assessment and labeled with a unique QR code. The clean room operator simply scans the plate for its location and performs the assigned task, be it active or passive sampling, surface monitoring, or surface swab sampling. Post-sampling and plate incubation. Plates are read for the count of colonies, colony identification, and eventually, the plates are destroyed. The system logs it instantly. Need to check a plate's history? Just scan the code. The entire plate history and associated data are traceable, auditable, and centralized. MPATS is more than a tracking tool. It's your EM control tower. Easy to manage hundreds or thousands of plates on a daily basis. Facilitates process improvement. Instantly reconcile plate data. Receive automatic alerts for overexposure or delayed incubation. No more manual logs. Generate reports with a single click. Real-time monitoring. Permits ease of trending by area, location, operator, production schedule, and activity, etc. Aligns with global health authority expectations. With MPATS, your EM data becomes a source of insight, not stress. MPATS is a fully compliant platform designed to enable timely batch release, ensure regulatory compliance, and provide real-time documentation and data, thus easing compliance. Ready to simplify and make your environmental monitoring process an effortless exercise? Book a demo with Mactus today and take the first step toward digital EM excellence.